What's up, everyone? Welcome back. So, lately, I've been grinding Match Factory like crazy, clearing levels, lining up combos, watching those conveyor belts fly, and while doing that, I kept noticing people talking about a shortcut that supposedly adds a ton of coins without needing anything extra. No laptop, no sketchy setups, just your phone. At first, I brushed it off. Match Factory isn't exactly the kind of game where things come easy, so I figured it was probably hype. But curiosity got the best of me, and I decided to test it myself. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly what I tried, how it played out step by step, and then we'll take a look at the end result to see if it actually delivered. The first thing you need is your user ID. Most of the time, you'll find it in your profile or somewhere in the settings. It only took me a moment to locate mine. I copied it and saved it for later. This part is really straightforward and doesn't take long at all. After that, I opened a web browser on my phone. I'm using Chrome, but any browser should work. Then I searched for the website people were talking about. When the site loaded, I didn't get hit with pop-ups or random redirects. It actually looked pretty normal, which surprised me a bit. After that, I landed on the site and used the search bar to look up a Match Factory coins tool. It was easy to find, no digging around or confusing menus. The next step was choosing my device. I'm playing on Android, but I noticed iOS was supported too, which was nice to see. Then I entered my player ID and took a second to make sure everything matched my account. Once I hit the continue button, the process kicked off right away. A few clean animations popped up, kind of like a loading sequence between levels. No lag, no glitches, no random pop-ups. Everything moved along smoothly, which honestly made it feel more legit than I expected. Next, it asked how much resources I wanted to add. Just to fully test it, I selected the highest amount available. After confirming, a few progress bars showed the steps being completed. Each step was clearly labeled, so it was easy to follow what was happening. Before it finished, there was a short verification step. The instructions were clear, so it didn't feel confusing. I already handled that part earlier. So let's jump ahead to the results. To see if it actually went through, I jumped back into Match Factory and checked my coin total. And yeah, the coins were already sitting there. No reloads, no restarting the app, no waiting around. The balance updated instantly, which caught me off guard in the best way. It felt like the reward screen popped up without even finishing a level. So, based on what I tested, everything worked the way it was explained. The steps were simple, the site worked well on mobile, and the whole process was easy as long as you follow it carefully. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real tests and honest reviews. And if you've already tried this yourself, drop a comment and let me know how it went. I read every single one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.